Hi guys, how are we all doing? Thursday today, almost the weekend. Got 8 bricklaying hacks for you. I don't know why I did that, that's 5. We've got 8 bricklaying hacks for you today. Enjoy the video, let's roll it. Well guys, here we have hack number 1. Now imagine I'm down in the footings, down somewhere low, and I need to plumb this line down to mark out where I'm going to build my wall. Now, put your level up like that, it's just going to wave all over the place and you don't know if you've got a true reading on that line. Simple thing, get another level, bit of wood, anything straight, hold that against there, and you've now got a stable place to hold that level, and you can just shimmy it around, get a nice plumb reading, and put your mark down on the ground. There you go, job done. Here we have hack number 2. Got your brush, you're about to brush off your brickwork, but you notice you've got all cement stuck to the bristles of your brush. Easy way to fix that, lump hammer, brush, just put it on the scaffolding or anything solid, and just whack it off. Just a quick way to show you. Much better. Bit more time on that, and that'll come up perfect. Right, hack number 3. You need to take 2 wheelbarrows back to the mixer, but you can't be bothered doing it one at a time. No worries. Here we go, hack number 4. Oh damn it, I appear to have dropped my trowel off the scaffolding. Don't you worry, I've got a neodymium, a very powerful magnet on my tape measure, and I keep it there at all times. I've got this magnet on my tape measure specifically for this purpose. You just pop it off on the end and there you go fishing. There we go, you ain't got to keep jumping down or anything like that. Link in the description for this magnet. Apparently it can pull up to 12.5 kilos or 12 kilos. Now that is a strong magnet. Right, here we have hack number 5. With this magnet on the back of your tape measure, all you do is you pop it in your back pocket, and if for some reason you're up on trestles or something like that and you're laying blocks up high, rather than having to awkwardly pick up a nasty horrid 6-inch concrete block with your trowel in your hand, job done. Pick the block up, lay it, and you ain't got to bend down to pick your trowel up again. Perfect. If you enjoyed this vid, don't forget, jump down there, subscribe button, there's a like button, hit all of them. Also, share this with your friends, share this with the family. Don't know if you can share this with your dog, but give it a go anyway. Right, hack number 6. Do you suffer from a damp bag, or a moist bucket? Is your tool going all rusty? Then I suggest you see a doctor. Or a bit of breathable felt from your roof, a handful of silica cat litter, silica gel must be, wrap it up, bang a zip tie around it, and chuck it in your bag. Now that will soak up all the moisture in your bag and stop all your tools going rusty. Thank me for it in the comments. Right, hack number 7. If you need to mark a line off on the wall and it's quite a distance that way, you don't want to keep holding the tape measure and it falling around all over the place. Remember, got that magnet on your tape measure, get a bulldog clip, put it around your pencil. Not like that. Now once you've got your pencil like that, that magnet will pick up it, and there you go. Now all you have to do if you want to mark out plasterboard, where to build a wall, anything like that, it comes in very handy. A small little bulldog clip like that with that magnet on the end of your tape measure, you ain't ever going to lose it. When you're up on the scaffold and you're building a gable like this and you're doing a little detail on the edge, a good way to hold your bricks up while you're stringing the line up is with a nail. Now the bottom section is easy because you can just build the gable knee up, put a line on it and string it up. But at this end, the bricks tend to slide down. So what I do is I get a nail, I'll just pop it in that joint there, muck on top, and then the brick just sits against that and it doesn't fly down. With that nail in there, it holds that brick in there nicely. You can string your line up on it and away you go. Right, and our final hack of the day, don't go out and buy corner blocks, make them yourself. Easy, 3 simple cuts and you got corner blocks. There's always old bits of timber lying around on a job. Ideally 2x2 bit of timber, but you can have 4x2, anything is good. And this is how you do it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Let me know down in the comments which of these hacks you're going to be using. Also, down in the comments, what hacks have I missed? Let's see if we can all come up with some good ideas and we can all learn together. Right, that's the end of the video. See you later.